Hey friends, it's future Melanie speaking with you from a little study room because filming Melanie didn't film an intro because she always forgets, but this video is a little compilation vlog, week in the life of some things that I've been up to while studying abroad. I had a lot of fun day trips and little field trips in this vlog. This is a week in my life studying abroad, starting off on a field trip to Oxford. They rented us like a coach bus, and so we drove to Oxford, which is like a little over an hour away. Started off at the church C.S. Lewis went to, and we got like a tour of that and the graveyard where he was buried. And then we went to his home. After that, we went to the town center area and got a little bit of time to go get lunch. And then there was a little market, and then there's also like an undercover market that was kind of like similar to Pike Place, so we walked around there. And then after that we got a tour of the city and Oxford University chapels and like the cafeteria, and like walked through different buildings and stuff, which was really cool. Like hear about the history. Hey friends, I just got out of my first class. Today we're going to the British Museum for my second class. Here's my outfit for the day. This is actually bothering me so much because this is like cream, this is white, but I just didn't give myself any time to wake up. Also, my hair is voluminous as heck today for no reason. And straight, which I never wear it straight. But shoes Princess Polly, jeans Princess Polly, this Yes Style or something, I don't know. This thrifted, this thrifted, and then we've been kind of slacking on the jewelry recently. And then I'm also using this bag from Charles & Keith. It's so heavy because it has so much stuff in it right now, instead of like a backpack, because for some reason it's kind of embarrassing to use a backpack here. So home sweet home, you guys. I just got back. I love that my bed's hidden because it's actually chaos right now. This is what happens when you have an 8 a.m. class, and I'm a mess because you have to walk up so many stairs here. We do have an elevator. I was just trying to be healthy today. Not a great idea. I am so tired, so winded. It's actually not that bad, right? Right? Cleaning montage. Dive into I'm gonna try this new like curling, or like, why did I say curling? Kind of curling, but with a flat iron technique. Flat iron is so strong. Basically the logic with this is I'm just curling it all inwards just a little bit. You can only see like a little difference because my hair is kind of layered. Guys, I totally forgot to record the most important part, but look at the bangs. This part kind of looks low-key the same, but also the electricity here is kind of insane. Like my phone charges so fast. This thing is mighty powerful. Okay, hey guys, I don't know what's up, but like the classrooms are busting right now. It was so hard to get one, but I'm so excited to whip out these bad boys, this bad boy, and figure out how to knit. I think I'm just gonna watch like a video. I don't even know what I'm gonna knit yet. Should I just do like a basic stitch, like tank tops? Dead winter, but I could make a tank top sweater. That might be better. I could make a is not right. That's just the food, Melanie. What's it called? Oh, maybe it's balaclava. Balaclava. I don't know. Which one should I do, guys? Okay, I'm leaning towards like, should I just do a freaking scarf? Should I just make a big rectangle? Should I watch this? Why is it so loud out there right now? Ooh, slipper socks. Beanie. Also, we baked tonight, which was really fun because I have had maddest sweet tooth here. I don't know what's going on. But let's figure out this crocheting thing. What is happening right now?
Oh gosh.
Knitting is hard. I put it on 1.5 speed and now she's going too fast. Yeah. Oh. See it, but like this is really textured here and it's terrible because I keep touching it. Pretty sure it's because I sleep with a night mask, but I can't like not sleep with a night mask. Your girl is sensitive to light. Here, where we're at, and right now I'm kind of like, I know it's because I just started, but this is so much harder than crocheting. And like crocheting, you don't have these two giant needles, and like I just look like I'm bad at it, but I think you'll see me progress. Hopefully, by the end of this video, by the end of this week or whatever. Why do I make faces when I do it? This is how I was with crocheting though. Like I tried to learn how to crochet while I was FaceTiming and it was so hard to do. I did that again, but like I think I'm learning a bit faster and I realized practice makes perfect. But anyways, this is chill. Now I can just talk to you guys while I knit all day. But anyways, how have you guys been? Hope you're doing swell. I don't really know what to do right now. Basically, little life update. I was locked out of my Instagram for like a day. It was literally a day and it felt like so long. But I wanted to talk to you guys and I wanted to ask you to ask me questions if you had any. So I'll do that at some point. I do it right now. Are you guys awake? 11 here. I also have no clue what I'm making whatsoever. I think I'm just making a big like square. Like I just need to get in the hang of it. And then you can make like anything out of a square, right? Do like a tablecloth or something. Guys, I was so tempted to buy like 6 things of yarn today. And I really knew that I shouldn't do that, but I genuinely think this is going to be a big thing for me here. I realized this while I was even in Malibu, but like it's so hard to do a lot of craft. And this is hard too because I've nailed, but it's so hard to do a lot of craft. And I love doing crafts obviously, but it's hard to like, you know, do a lot of them since I don't have all my supplies, especially in London. Also, they have like no craft stores here. Like I had to go kind of far to get to this craft store and it was mighty expensive. They're making it tough for me. No one wants me to crochet here. But that's why I figured I would just specialize in this one thing. It's the plan. Hey friends, so it's Tuesday. It's kind of a chill day. I just have one class, which I'm already done with, except we are going to a play, my first play. I'm not big on plays, but hopefully it changes while I'm here later tonight. But I went on a little walk, got chai. I really should have filmed it because there were like these beautiful eclairs there. I'm trying so hard to like chai, guys. Just not my thing.
I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do. Sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue. Cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn.
Hi friends, so I'm starting my little hat. I just looked up like a bucket hat crochet tutorial. I think I'm getting the hang of this. It's a lot more counting than I'm used to.
Till First Avenue. That's
my barista.
Sorry. Wow. Hey friends, so fabulous news. My class actually got canceled today, which never happens, but my professor is sick. This is for my art class, so I decided to sleep in, not me waking up at almost like noon. Nothing new here. It's okay. But we're still gonna have a lovely day. So I'm just going on a walk in Hyde Park, which is like one of my favorite things to do. Listening to some new music. I want to listen to more podcasts, but I haven't been super grinding on them. So if you guys have any recs, let me know. The whole plan for today. I'm thinking I might hit a cafe. I need to run some errands. Okay. I hear you. I might run some errands. I might bake if I feel like. I don't really know. It's weird having like an entire day. Like I'm no. Okay, so terrible news, guys. My phone just ran out of storage, so I'm gonna keep this quick. Weird having an entire day because usually we have something. I just have a group dinner, but that's fine. That's just dinner. That'll be cool. But other than that, I think it's gonna be a filming day, maybe a crocheting day, the best kind of day. Actually, I love Wednesdays.
Step out onto the dock, watch the gulls and the pelicans flock.
Hey friends, so I'm clearly cooking breakfast right now. I'm just whipping up some eggs and it's really embarrassing. Okay, first off, so nice. No one's in the kitchen. We have this old kitchen, but it's always packed. It's really embarrassing because I woke up so late today. I'm cooking breakfast at 2, which like is fine and normal and dandy at home. But since I'm here, I keep telling people good morning and it's literally 2 in the afternoon. They're like in the middle of their day having classes and I'm like, good morning guys. Yum guys, so I just made some eggs with cheese and mushrooms and onions and I'm actually thinking, I think everyone's in class right now, that's why the kitchen's so empty, so I might take advantage of that and end up like baking because I've had the most massive sweet tooth here for absolutely no reason. I buy dessert like every night and we have this whole kitchen, so I might as well bake some cookies because I miss it. Update again, guys. Since I'm really sad that I can't bake because there's no freaking brown sugar, I'm gonna make matcha. Now this is a little bit embarrassing, but I did in fact order myself a milk frother here. I swear I'm just doing like nothing that I said I was gonna do today. I don't think I'm gonna go to a cafe anymore because I'm literally exhausted from my walk. But I think, oh my god, I need a screwdriver. Do I really? Oh, thank goodness. I was like, dude, no way. I'm not gonna go to a cafe because I've been going to a cafe like every day and the coffee here is kind of expensive, not gonna lie. So, hey guys, I'm back and I just want to let you know 2 things where I keep my mask. First off, my matcha, fabulous, actually fabulous. I just added honey, like sweetener, you know, matcha. I haven't made my own in so long. It was so good. My new milk frother is amazing. Wow, that lighting shift. If you can see, actually you probably can't tell, but it got a little sunny out, so it's kind of pretty and it's making me feel productive and stuff. So I just wanted to give you a little update. As I started to say downstairs before I got rudely cut off because my camera or my like phone actually ran out of storage like 3 times on my walk, and then I was trying to film in the kitchen and it kept running out of storage down there too. So annoying. Today is just gonna be a chill, productive kind of like work day at home. So I'll show you some other clips of the little things I do throughout this lovely Wednesday. Hey friends, what is up? So today my first class got canceled again because we're just watching a movie, so we watch it on our own. I'm heading to my next class shortly, but I want to show you my outfit today. Also for my next class, it's Hume and we're just like going to the London Tower and then I think we're getting a tour of it or something, which will be fun. So you guys are coming with me for that. But here's my outfit. I have no clue if I'll be freezing. Hopefully I won't be. Hey, look, isn't this fun? Okay, there we go. Isn't this fun? Cow sweater, right? Cute, right? Jeans, Princess Polly, shoes, Converse. The sweater is from, oh, frick Eden.
I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind. And she doesn't know that your favorite.
Look how fast the clouds are moving. The clouds are so pretty today. This is what we're looking at right now.
Way home, avoid what I can let go. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I.
Hey friends, so for a little update, we are currently in this market. That's kind of cool. There's a bunch of food. So I just ordered some pole noodles, which sound delicious right now. Looks so good.
Sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to.
I'm also staring at these crepe things that look so good, so I might have to get that after. Guys, we got it. It's tiramisu crepe. Ice cream or something, I don't even know. Soft serve. I have a full day ahead. We're probably gonna bake when we get back, which I'm so excited for. I also went to some place called, I don't know, something Tiger, but I got knitting needles for a freaking pound. That's so good. So y'all know, like, knitting is the new hobby here.
Step out onto the dock, watch the gulls and the pelicans fly.
She said no.
And we're loading up the ferry, what can I carry? We always overstop.
Kind of pretty. Kind of pretty. Hopefully. Grab a spoon. Update. We're making cheesecake brownies because we went to this place called L&N a while ago. I want to call it L&L, like the Hawaiian place for some reason. Oh yeah, we were calling it ELNN, which is kind of embarrassing, but the place is super cute. It's very pink and aesthetic, but oh my gosh, I made a mess with this butter. And this butter has like chocolate in it.
Nice.
We just got a cheesecake brownie. There was literally just brownie and cheesecake on top, but it was so good. Well, it was good. It was a good idea. So we're trying to recreate it, but better, but I messed up a lot.
Oh my gosh, we don't have sugar.
Oh, we used the brown sugar. Oh, it's gonna be 2 different colors.
It's fine.
We messed up so much, but hopefully it'll still taste good. It has a lot of sugar, it has chocolate in it. It has to taste good, but I'll give you a taste test later. Cake. This doesn't really look like cheesecake. And the ratio. We just didn't follow the recipe very well. Okay. Oh, we're gonna review. Oopsies. Cheers. It doesn't really taste like a brownie.
It doesn't taste like cheesecake. It just tastes like a cake.
Yeah, it tastes like a cake with weird frosting. Wait, this is not successful. Little haul. This is embarrassing. I bought more yarn. I actually bought like 4 of these. But I'm gonna make a sweater. Also, my addiction. I got a whole box of these and they were actually a pretty good deal because this whole box, oh, just kidding. There's only 12, but 20 euros for 12 of them. That's not that bad, right? Considering I eat so many of these. I didn't know you could get them on Amazon. No Trader Joe's here though, but they do sell them at grocery stores. Not the flavor I need. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was just a couple of the days here. Make sure to subscribe for more vlogs. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.
I know you wanna leave, so come on, baby, be with me so happily.